Si Aliyah na ang kasama namin and we are off to SM.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi mga Zoos! Kagagaling lang namin sa dance class ni
In 200
Aliyah.
meters,
Hindi namin
continue
siya
straight.
kasi pwedeng i-vlog kasi syempre ang daming mga bata doon. I-vlog na lang namin kapag dance recital na nila. I'm sure pwede na. And ngayon kami ay pupunta sa isang condo. I-check namin. Kasi guys, next week pasok na si Aliyah. Kailangan namin medyo tumira malapit na doon sa school na yun. Since hindi pa gawa yung bahay namin, magre-rent kami ng condo. So, i-check namin tong condo ng friend namin na inaalaw kami to rent for only few weeks. Alanganin siya pero we had to do it kasi Aliyah needs to go to school. So, yan. Papunta na kami doon ngayon. Kasama din namin si Granddad na nanood ng dance ni Aliyah. Flight niya mamaya. So, pagkatas namin dito sa condo checking, ay ihahatid na namin sila ulit sa condo. Ay, sa Hilton. Dahil mamaya na nga rin yung flight niya. Yun. Medyo tight yung oras natin pero kailangan magkasya. Though, gabi pa naman yung flight niya. And then, after that, mamimili ako ng mga pinto at mga sliding doors. And ano ba? Yun lang. Yun pa lang ang plans. So, hindi ako marunong bumili ng pinto at sliding doors. Tignan natin kung paano tayo makaka-survive today. We'll see. Dala ko naman ang mga sukat. Binigyan ako ng guide ng ating architect. Kasi sabi niya, mas magandang ako yung pumili. And then, binigay lang nila yung mga sukat, ganyan, para mas magiging madali for later. So, ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa kahabaan ng daan. And moving naman to. Hindi naman siya gaanong traffic. We will arrive there in 14 minutes. So, I'll update you.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect.
Mga Zoobs, we are back in the car. Nahatid na namin si Granddad sa Hilton. And ayun na nga, ano na siya, flight niya kasi is tonight. So, ngayong 4:30 or before 5, kailangan nasa airport na siya. And then now, si Aliyah na ang kasama namin and we are off to SM. Dahil bibili kami ng mga sapatos. Ano, Lele?
Same bag as Zara, the Elsa, and also the same pencil case as Adidas.
Yung. Yeah, excited ka ba?
Yeah, and pencil.
Meron ng pencil, nagpabili na ako yung Mima. Ang bibili namin bag, school shoes, saka pencil case.
What about eraser?
Meron na, may nabili na si Mima.
Scissors.
So, we're gonna have a date with Lele at SM.
Yeah.
Yung. Oo nga, hindi ka pa nakapunta dito. So, ito na. We are on the way. Kami lang tatlo. Update namin kayo ano yung mapili ni Aliyah na shoes and bags. natin, meron tayong natanggap na big surprise. As in, big. Hindi ko alam kung ano laman ito, pero sobrang thank you, Toblerone, para sa inyong early Valentine's Day gift. Oh! Ay! Skip the dinner reservations. You unforgettable delight at Never Square Day. Oh! Meron! No.
Our date night begins here though.
Kaya pala may pa-wine glass. Thank you. And what else is here?
Got love heart.
Siyempre, ang ating Toblerone na pang Valentine's Day. Sarap. Kung may naiisip kayong gift sa inyong mga loved ones, parang feeling ko ito na yun. Ayun na yun.
No, may
Meron pa,
next
no?
level. May next level.
May next level.
May tatlong level.
Ito naman ay kailangan buksan. Wow!
ang
Ang daming flavors.
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel, honey almond. Ito ay
Parang yung original ata.
hindi win. Ayun nakasulat.
Ayun.
Honey almond din.
Honey almond. Tapos
Ito
yung
original with
sarap. I love Toblerone.
ay ito yung wine.
We got some Australian wine. Tapos some pretzels. And some nuts. Wow, that's a really good
Thank you
gift.
so much. Teka, lalagay natin, pabalik natin kasi ang ganda. Kailangan may picture. Hindi ko maibalik ng maganda. Maganda sa picture. Thank you so much, Toblerone, for this early Valentine's Day gift. Ubus to agad mamaya, for sure. Ayun yung unang kakain, no? May bantay dito. Si Mami Aileen.
Tikim lang, hindi
Oo. Bawal ka masyado matamis. Sarap naman.
Bawal na sa sugar.
It's that time of the night, guys. We're getting hungry. So it's buffet, babe.
No.
So what are we eating? Kanina gusto mo buffet.
Sakit kasi nung sinisikmura pa din ako eh.
Has a sore stomach, so we just need to get some food. Para busog
Kasaboy
na. Pwede naman. Just us two? Yeah. Now let's go. Thank you very much once again, guys, for watching the vlog. So as you saw today, we have bought everything that Aliyah needs for her school, and she's really excited and prepared to go to her school. And we also checked out a place for a potential spot that we will rent somewhere near where we live, not too far away. And it looked like a very, very nice place. It had this beautiful setup. The pool was amazing, and they had this big grassland that probably the kids would really love to play in. So we're just in sort of a decision-making stage of where is our next option to live while we're still waiting on the house, which should be hopefully in the next 3 weeks or so, possibly more, but really just depends how everything goes. And as you saw, the kids said goodbye to Granddad, so Granddad hopefully will be back. I think he said June, so the kids will miss him for sure. But they had a good time while he was here anyway. Mimi and Aliyah really get along with Granddad, and so does King when King's in Australia. So they're going to miss him a lot. But anyway, that's the end of the vlog. Thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow.